Here is a winter storm warning for the following county: Highland, Ohio. Winter storm warning in effect until 7 a.m. Monday. Heavy snow continuing. Additional snow accumulations of 2 to 5 inches. Some brief mixing with sleet is also possible. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions of rain. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, bring 50% water in the vehicle in case of an emergency. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/ILN, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Here is a winter storm warning for the following county: Mason, Kentucky. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 7 a.m. Monday. Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 7 inches with locally higher amounts. Some brief mixing with sleet is also possible. Travel could be very difficult.